In this video, I'll share the 5 best Remini alternatives, including both free and paid options. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Upscale. It's a free open-source AI image upscaler that improves photo quality while preserving fine details. At number 4, we have Photopea. It uses AI to sharpen blurry photos, remove noise, and upscale images in just a few clicks. At number 3, we have Let's Enhance. It boosts image resolution, improves colors, and delivers high-quality results for personal and professional use. At number 2, we have Photo AI. It combines AI photo enhancement, portrait retouching, background editing, and image upscaling in one easy-to-use platform. At number 1, we have Photo AI. It offers professional-grade AI sharpening, noise reduction, and image upscaling, making it one of the best premium alternatives to Remini. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more AI tool recommendations.